everyone, it's Katie Myers, CEO of CR Conversations, author of Fortune is in the Failure, and founder of the Conversation Club. And if you are seeing this video, then you know that it's Tuesday, and that means it's Talk It Out Tuesday. So I am coming to you today with some tips on conversations I've been having a lot about lately, which is listening to your prospects and serving them in the way that they want to be served. So we make a lot of assumptions, and you know how I feel about those, as business owners, and we absolutely have to have a starting place, right? We have to come up with something in order to serve. Well, sometimes you have to do some pivoting and some evolving to make sure that you are serving your audience the way that they want to be served. Several of my clients, myself included, have been through this evolution and recognizing that there are trends. There are different trends on how people want to be served. A few years ago, people were, at least in my world, were very much into live, in-person workshops and trainings and big group activities. Well, I've noticed lately that not only for myself, but for my clients, a lot of people want the learning online. They want flexibility. They don't want to be tied down to days and times. So instead of trying to fit a round peg into a square hole, let's put a round peg into a round hole. One of the biggest tips I can give you is to ask. Ask your audience. Do a survey, do some polling, and ask them how they want to be served. There's no reason for any of us just to be going around guessing to see how people want to be served by us. You can also utilize this information to ask questions around like pricing and just general interest. So there's a lot of opportunities for you to stop assuming on how people want to be sold to or what they want to have sold to them by simply just asking the questions, going back to your audience, asking them what they want, asking them what they're looking for, and building out your programming or your service offerings or even the way that you sell your product in a way that is going to suit them based on the information that they've given you. There's no reason why we should just be kind of wandering about and especially going with the assumptions on, oh, okay, I'm going to be doing these workshops. There's a very good chance that if they're not showing up to your workshops, it's not because they don't see the value in it. It's because that's not how they want to be served. So the other point that I want to bring into this is just generally thinking about just again, the assumptions around your audience and what they are wanting from you, thinking about how you are going to be delivering that to them. Is it in a virtual form? Is it in a live form? Is it in seminars or workshops? Is it individual or is it group? Thinking about what your audience is looking for is going to be critical to you to continue to move forward. You cannot evolve if you aren't asking the questions of your audience. So I want you to take some time. I want you to put together something that can generate some true feedback for you and make sure that it is feedback that you want to get. So ask the questions that are going to be valuable and make it short and sweet. Get some feedback from people to help you continue to serve your audience in the way that they want to be served. So one of the things I want to share with you is around the Conversation Club. Now, you all know the Conversation Club has been open since I launched it last August. Well, right now is the perfect time to continue your momentum. So if you are stuck in your sales conversations, if you are in what I call the summer slowdown and you need to generate some new excitement, some new buzz, some new business, well, then it's time for you to join the club. Now, something that is very important for you to know is we are only having open enrollment for the Conversation Club through July 15th. So if you have been wanting to join the Conversation Club, if you have been interested in taking a look at it, feel free to comment below if you want some more information. But you can always just go onto my website, crconversations.com, click on the Conversation Club. I will be closing enrollment for the Conversation Club on July 15th and won't be reopening it until probably September 1st. So if you are watching this video, if any of the feelings of Maybe that's why my clients aren't taking advantage. Maybe you're having some questioning, or you feel like you're making a lot of assumptions when it comes to your sales conversations. Then it's time for us to have a chat and for you to join the club. So that's what I have for you today. Make sure you ask for the feedback, and you are empowered with knowledge, and it will very much serve you and be your guide to have better, more concise, more successful sales conversations. So I hope you all have a great day. I will see you next week on Talk It Out Tuesday. Bye-bye.